Warranty of proof scale, Mittelbestimmung, or product consuion, or consolation, or consultation. Also consulting, but that's a different word here. So it would mean that, but I already needed to put in a new word. So besides proof scale. And proof scale is meaning not the scale of proof, but the scalation of proof. So, furthermore, a law in trade. What is a law in trade in my mind? Well, a law as in for justice and given by societal language is a hypothetical or proven concept to be of value for peace regarding the evolutive principle of nature. Meaning, a law in justice given by any society to anyone in society is something that is already proven or has to be proven, but doesn't necessarily exclude other laws. That's the weird thing about a law. Once you invent or discover a law, meaning you don't invent the law by means of war, but by means of further development, you are in the possibility of having a disregard for some aspects in the discussion of the law in society. Yeah, and that is so-called Naturrecht is necessary to be proof of concept in court. Because in my mind, the basic laws of life are not negatable if you have any society, to a degree, and was not negatable to other reasons. But if you want to enforce a law, you basically act on society, and if you exclude someone from society by law of nature, your society can exclude that person just by the person saying I'm excluded. So if the person says I'm an outsider, the laws already don't count anymore. And if society just thinks laws are enforceable, it's a metaphysical construct. It's that easy. But besides that, why would that be bad, even as a metaphysical construct that is just metaphysics, as in philosophy of language or of speak? That is kind of interesting to explain. Once someone says that he's an outsider, evil people in the society will just make up laws how they wish to using that. So that's very bad. So sign of hypothetical conflict cannot be a guiding price tag. And also, it will also spark a fear, a cold war forever among evil people. Once someone used the atom piece, there's really nothing to gain. Sign of hypothetical conflict can be not a guiding price tag. What does it mean? So laws are basically needed to be discussed in court because there is a conflict of interest to a degree. It can also be conflict otherwise, but it's always a conflict or a settlement. Yes. But not a settlement on the laws of nature or the rights of people, but more a settlement in the sense that you need to settle ground for either discussion or peace by laws of reality, meaning exception of proof of concepts, etc. Yeah, to a degree, this is relevant for this. So, therefore, a law in trade must include premise of knowing consequence, morally at least, meaning if you have the premise of not knowing the consequence of anything you do in law or in trade, you basically can't have any discussion in court. And I want to explain why. It's because of X. The X in question is different or indifferent to the L of alphabet. Meaning, in this case to a degree, the call for proof ought to be something that is in conjunction to the norm meaning Naturrecht. Why? Why is that the case? Well, thought or for or though the add of idea to societal system is of own moral value, the guiding structural divide of partial ideas cannot negate the velocity, further development or growth of courtyard. And courtyard meaning a courtyard, like from court, not as in school or anything like it. Thank you for listening.